And then when the medical come down, Rafael dead and she dead because she mom hit she.
What you doing there? What
Because
you
she mommy
saying?
hit she on she bottom. Yeah, what's this? Girl, she dead. Get up.